They might look cute and be painted and glazed and stuff, but they're more dangerous than good here.
Like, don't use blueberries in a ceramic pot like this.
Exactly.
Okay, so
put them
use
in wood or plastic that's got good drainage.
Okay.
A lot of extra holes.
Old wine barrels work just fine.
Great.
Maybe, I don't know, the wineries will probably charge twice as much for those.
So you can go to Home Depot and get some. They have them there. Yeah.
Awesome.
They have the old ones that the wineries ship there. They're like $30 or $40.
Or like a garage sale.
Garage sale.
Yeah.
They got, there's all kinds of stuff you could do. Just try to stay away from the ceramic.
Okay.
And you're in luck. You'll be happy.
Do strawberries like to grow in pots, or do you prefer them in the ground?
The strawberries are better for me in pots because they're off the ground for critters, so they get eaten by everything.
Yeah.
So having them up, like actually buying a strawberry pot or creating a strawberry pot that has holes in the side of the pot. Like if you ever seen a pot, you look up strawberry pots online. They're cheap. It's basically a pot that has a bunch of little shelves on the outside of it. You plant them in the little shelves, and then they dangle down, and then they're never in the dirt, and you're never getting eaten by bugs as well. So I like something like that a little better. Or if you're going to plant them in the ground, you plant them up on rows, up on the top of hills. So you put them in a row, and you plant the strawberries on the top of the row on the hill, and they hang down into and you fill the trenches next to them. So that's the best way to do them if you're going to do them in the ground. But I like them in little pots so you can keep them out of the slugs and out of the snails and stuff.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Oh, do you only do fruit trees? Is that your thing?
Pretty much, yeah.
Bees. What can we bring? How can we bring bees?
So get as many flowers as possible. So colorful flowers. So colors is important. Even if they have pollen or not, color is important. Varieties of reds and pinks and blues. But like two that are really good, plant rosemary. Plant some basils, like Thai basils and rosemary are like two magic ones, and even lavenders. But lavenders are a little more emotional like plants. So some will grow okay, some won't. But lavender, rosemary, and like Thai basil are three magic bee plants that you can plant. That'll smell nice and bring bees and stuff. But anything that's colorful will draw hummingbirds, will draw bees. That's the attractor. And once they're here, they'll find stuff to do. Yeah.
Awesome.
Cool.
What do you need from me?
Check. You need me to write you a receipt, or so I can send you